With another video. This video is for all my one of my relative friend who requested me to make a tutorial video for, and this video is on the why Oppo A3s not supporting WhatsApp version. This is a basic and problem in the Oppo A3s smartphone, and a lot of my audience and people are facing the problem. They are trying to connect, they are trying to make a WhatsApp, but they are getting a problem in the OTP, or WhatsApp support not supporting other factors are also matters. So let me break down some information for you. So why your WhatsApp is not working on Oppo A3s. First of all, you should know which Android version is the smartphone is running. So which Android version is running on your smartphone? The Oppo A3s run on Android 8.1. That's ColorOS 5.1. So it meets the current minimum requirements. The issue is likely one of the following. Let me break down. Okay, how you know, why you can understand there is a big problem in your WhatsApp cache and data. So you can follow up. Continue, click on the WhatsApp icon. You will see information. Click on that and you will go to the cache and data. Click on the cache and clear all the cache first. After that, you need to clear the data. Okay, and then reinstall from the Play Store. Let me show you the tutorial. Let me show you my laptop screen. You will see and understand how the problems fixed and how it works very well, and what are the other factors that are also matters. Okay, let me show you my laptop screen. You can see my screen and you can understand the problems. There is a big problem is WhatsApp cache and data cache. I already discussed, and the another problem is enable auto start. Very important on Oppo. Go to your setting app and select auto start and enable WhatsApp. Without auto start enable, WhatsApp can fail when the phone is idle. Okay, fix battery optimizations. For this, you need to install any app that support battery optimizations. If you are not understanding or getting misunderstand, so you need to go to follow up the setting icon, then battery options, then battery optimizations. Find out the WhatsApp. So set to don't optimize. Okay, the apps I mentioned, you can understand. You can make your phone clear and up to date. Another issue is that allow background data. Go to setting and apps and WhatsApp, then data usage, and make sure data background data is not restricted. After that, another issue is that update Google Play services. Open Play Store, search Google Play services, updated. Also update Google Play Store itself. Check data and time setting and date time, and enable the automatic date time. If your smartphone has a wrong date time, it will break your WhatsApp connections. So, and another matter, that is storage. You need to check your smartphone storage, follow up the setting and then storage. Then you will see what the specifics of your Oppo A3s smartphone. You need at least 1 to 2 GB free. So follow up, go to setting and store and check. After that, you need to reset your network setting. Follow up the setting icon, then additional setting and backup and reset the network setting. So this is a simple guidelines. I am move back to the another issue. So all the problems and the issues I have discussed, you understand, and you check my screen as well. What are the basic problems to advanced? You need to follow up one by one. If you want me to mention in the video descriptions, I will try and do it. If you are still facing any problem in the Oppo A3s or any other smartphone, you can comment on the video. I will try to make another tutorial for you and try to fix up that issue and bug. Okay, that's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching. If you subscribe me, that will be good. I am not forcing you to subscribe. That's all for now.